Hi everyone, welcome to Civil Engineering Tutorials. In this video, I will discuss top quick interview questions with answers. This will help you to crack all type of civil engineering jobs. I have already provided 6 Q&A videos. All the links are given in the description box. So if you are new to my channel, then click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all new videos. Also, don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter to get all types of updates. Now, let's get started. Our first question: what is the primary purpose of reinforced cement concrete in construction? So, RCC, reinforced cement concrete, is used in construction to provide a combination of compressive strength from concrete and tensile strength from steel reinforcement. So, compressive strength from concrete and tensile strength from steel. It allows for the construction of durable and structurally sound buildings and infrastructure. Next, what is the difference between cement and concrete? Cement is a binding material that sets and hardens by chemical reaction with water. Concrete is a composite material made of cement, water, aggregate. Aggregates are sand and gravel. So, cement is a binding material which hardens which makes chemical reaction with water, and concrete is a composite material which is created by cement, water, aggregates and admixtures. Next, what are the types of soil and their properties? Soil is the natural material that covers the earth's surface and supports plant growth. Soil can be classified into 3 main types based on their particle size and composition: sand, silt and clay. These are 3 types of soils. Some of the properties of soil are texture, structure, moisture content, density and consistency. Can you explain the key components of an RCC mix design? RCC mix design involves cement, water, fine aggregates, that is sand, coarse aggregates, that is gravel or crushed stone, and steel reinforcement. The proportion of these components are carefully calculated to achieve the desired strength, workability and durability. What are the factors that influence the selection of an appropriate grade of concrete for a particular project? It is very important question which is mostly asked. Factors include the type of structure, expected loads, exposure conditions and environmental factors. For example, high strength concrete may be chosen for skyscraper, while a low strength mix may suffice for a residential building. How do you determine the required steel reinforcement in an RCC structural element? The required steel reinforcement is determined by performing structural analysis and design calculations, taking into account factors like loads, spans and safety codes. These calculations yield the quantity and size of reinforcing bars needed. Explain the concept of cover in RCC design and why it is important. Cover refers to the distance between the outer surface of the concrete and the nearest surface of the reinforcing steel. It is vital for protecting the steel from corrosion, providing fire resistance and ensuring adequate structural performance. Can you discuss the design principles of a reinforced concrete beam, including the concepts of balanced and under-reinforced sections? In RCC beam design, a balanced reinforce occurs when the compressive and tensile forces in concrete and steel are at their limits. An under-reinforced section has steel reinforcement that doesn't reach its full strength, while the concrete reaches its limit. What is the importance of shear reinforcement in RCC beams and slabs? Shear reinforcement, such as stirrups, is crucial to prevent shear failures in RCC members. They help distribute shear forces and ensure the structural integrity of the element. What does the concept of modular ratio relate to the design of RCC sections? The modular ratio is the ratio of the elastic modules of steel to that of concrete. It is used in the design of RCC sections to account for differences in the material properties and the distribution of stresses. Can you explain the term moment of resistance in RCC beam design and how it relates to the capacity of a beam to resist bending? The moment of resistance is the maximum moment of reinforced concrete beam can withstand before it reaches its ultimate limit state. It depends on the concrete's compressive strength, steel reinforcement and the beam's dimensions. What are the common durability challenges in RCC structures and how can they be addressed during the design phase? Common durability challenges include corrosion, cracking and carbonation. During the design phase, we can address these challenges by specifying appropriate cover, concrete quality and protection measures such as waterproofing and corrosion resistant coatings. Can you explain the differences between waterproofing and dampproofing in construction? Waterproofing prevents the penetration of water into structures, ensuring they remain completely dry. Dampproofing, on the other hand, prevents moisture from being absorbed by walls or floors, but it doesn't make the structure completely waterproof. What is the purpose of footing in a building's foundation? The purpose of a footing in a building's foundation is to distribute the structural load from the building to the underlying soil, ensuring that the soil can support the structure without settling or shifting. How is the load bearing capacity of soil determined and why it is essential in foundation design? The load bearing capacity of soil is determined through soil bearing capacity tests. It is essential in foundation design to ensure that the soil can be safely support the structural loads imposed by the building without excessive settlement or failure. What are the primary differences between a beam and a column in structural engineering? Beams are horizontal structural members designed to resist transverse loads such as the weight of floors or roofs, while columns are vertical structural members designed to resist compressive loads and support the weight of the structure above them. So, these are 16 questions. For more questions and answers like this, Please follow me, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.